Hey, hey, hey. So, the mail just ran. And I have my first legit shit order from my own account, not my husband's. I am just... Okay, so, of course, I heard a creator talking about G Fuel and just thought it was an overhyped, something that all creators, like the click here, subscribe, don't forget to comment, share, just one of those type deals. Until my husband ordered it and I actually tried the product, and it wasn't even the creator's product that I was obsessed with, and it worked. I mean, it worked so hard that I was able to drop 5-hour energy shots altogether. So with that out of the way, I have a box. And this box has the most relevant shaker cup, as well as a tub of the original, because I got the limited edition design tub as well. So, let's see what's in this box. And let's see what creator I'm talking about. Anybody have any guesses? Based off of this cup. Based off the shaker. And this is how it's arriving to me. So, kind of an unboxing, I guess, I'm doing too. So let's see what the most relevant shaker cup. That is beautiful. That is fluorescent construction orange if I've ever seen it. There's the shaker. Oh my gosh, I finally have my own cup. I've got my own sippy cup. Finally. Thank you. Yes. That's all I wanted. I didn't care what style. I didn't care what design. I just wanted one of these. So, of course, what did I get to go with it? Did I do that? So yeah, this wasn't the BOGO. This was with one of the codes from downloading the app. I was able to get both of these. I believe it was less than $30, including shipping, you guys. I'm telling y'all, you need to get the app. Wow. Yes, it was, with shipping. Yeah. So, I don't know what to say other than I'm about to get G-fueled, mofos. So, this is the beginning of my obsession. We shall see what happens. Thank you, G-fuel. Thank you.